In this video, I'm going to take you through Crypto.com's new NFT platform. And for more information on Crypto.com, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Crypto.com, the one-stop shop for crypto, has now added a brand new platform to its fleet of features. Crypto.com NFT. With the rise in popularity of NFTs, it's no surprise that Crypto.com are jumping in on the action. Their NFT platform launched on March 26th of 2021, and it's dedicated to delivering unique content to collect and trade from the most popular artists, musicians and sports. And these include the likes of Aston Martin, Boss Logic, Boy George, Snoop Dogg and Lionel Richie. Crypto.com NFT are looking to become the world's largest and most user-friendly NFT platform, having the aim to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrencies, with NFTs being the next step. And users have the option to buy with a single click using a credit or a debit card, meaning that any collector or fan can acquire, trade, and resell NFTs through their platform, regardless of whether or not they're a Crypto.com user. But Crypto.com users can pay for NFTs using the Pay feature of their app, where they can pay using over 20 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the more recently added Dogecoin. Leading this brand new venture is Crypto.com's newly appointed Executive Vice President, Global Head of NFTs, Joe Conyers. And Joe was named a Digital Power Player by Billboard magazine's 4 years in a row, and more recently served as a Chief Strategy Officer at Downtown Music Holdings. Joe brings over a decade of experience building global businesses that support artists. And Crypto.com's first NFT drop was released on March 26th of 2021, and it's a new collection entitled Greater Heights by Marvel artist Boss Logic. And they state that it features a bold and dreamlike aquatic world for fans old and new to immerse themselves into. Future drops include partnering with Aston Martin Cognizant Formula One, who are introducing NFTs as a way to celebrate the team returning to F1 for the first time in 60 years. The Crypto.com NFT platform will offer a new way for their fans to own a piece of their history, and the collection of NFTs that they're making available will capture the very first moments of their return to F1. Boy George also has a drop, which will display his creativity and brings together animated and still versions of his own paintings, together with his iconic music, representing the full depth of the artistic output. And as I mentioned, there are many other artists all releasing their own drops. So let's jump in and take a look at how we can get our hands on these NFTs. Well, the first thing that you'll need to do is create a Crypto.com NFT account. And you'll need to provide your name, email address, and a display name for your profile. Once you've signed up and verified your email, you can then go ahead and log in. And from the main screen, you'll see that there's a drop that's now available by Boss Logic, which is Greater Heights. From here, you'll find some information in relation to the artist and the drop. Plus, you can also click onto the link to view their profile and their social links. Plus, we can also view the NFTs that are available from the drop. And it shows me here the NFT artwork, the name, number of editions and the prices. If we just click onto one here, which is It Will Be Okay, I'm shown the description of the NFT and I'm offered an edition. If I click onto View Available Editions, I can then choose the edition that I'd like to purchase. But let's take a look at how we can actually purchase these now. So in this example, I'll say that I want to purchase My City. And I'm going to select 128. And then I'll choose to buy this for $2,000. Where I then have the option to either pay with a credit or a debit card or via Crypto.com Pay. So let's take a look at buying with a credit card first. And this is really great for those of you who aren't already Crypto.com users or don't even hold cryptocurrencies. And all you need to do here is simply enter in your name, your card details, and confirm your payment. So that was pretty easy to do. Next, for those of you who are Crypto.com users and want to pay with crypto, you can select the Crypto.com Pay option, where you'll then be prompted to either select from the Crypto.com app, Metamask, Wallet Connect, or some other supported wallets. So there's lots of different options that we can use from here. And if you don't already have a Crypto.com account, then I'll put a promotional link in the summary below that you can use. Let's take a look at paying with the Crypto.com app. And in here, it's really simple to use. Simply scan the QR code shown on screen with your Crypto.com app to make your payment. And it will show you the corresponding value in CRO here too. And what's great about this option is the fact that it's instant and there's no network cost to pay. Next, let's take a look at Metamask. And in this way, you can pay using the tokens listed in DeFi Swap. If you're not too sure what that is, I've got a tutorial that will give you a little bit more information. Then you'll need to enter in your email address and read through the terms and conditions before continuing with your payment. Then once you have your NFT, what you do with it is completely up to you. You can keep it as a collectible, or you can sell it. Under the Explore tab at the top of the screen, you'll find a host of NFTs already being sold by users on Crypto.com NFT. And you can see the additions that are available to buy, the current owner and the price. And this is great for those of you who might miss out on a drop and still want to get your hands on the popular NFTs. Or it can also be great if you want to make a bit of money on the artwork that you've just purchased. And you also have the My NFT tab at the top of the screen, which will show any collectible that you've purchased, any that you're selling or have created yourself. So that's how you can get your hands on some NFTs with Crypto.com. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.